I see Bawumia holding the flag. I know some people have promised about other candidates to take the seat, but I went and I went and I went and I went again and I went again. I saw the man. He was holding the flag, but this time he was even more energetic than when he was a vice president. He saw, he heard the thing, and he was running. He was. Now listen to this. There are about 2 of them running to a particular land, and as they were running, I looked and I saw that before they got to the land, one of them was stabbed, and when he turned, the other overtook him. Now watch it. This election is meant to be 50-50, meaning that if they are not careful, they may have to do a runoff. 31st January will be here, and we will see the truth. We will know who God called and who God sent a text message.